Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. Today I'm here with another new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hi, one of my client has a huge budget. They want to spend $1K a day, but the Google Ads platform is not spending it. The audience is huge. The location targeting is broad. The keywords are tailored to this niche. What's next steps? Okay. So first of all, I can understand that $1K may be a big budget to you, but this is not a big budget with anyone. We have clients spending thousands of dollars, a day. So like 10K, 100K, that is also common over here as well. But even I can understand 1K can be good as well. It can be huge as well. Again, depending about the niche, country, and so many questions to verify this on. Now the question is, the platform is not spending is the audience is huge, the location is broad, the keywords are tailored to this niche. What's next step? Okay, I do not know what niche you are saying. It's huge. I'm not sure how you are collecting this data. So I always emphasize on data is everything in marketing. Okay, data is a very important thing. Okay, now when you're working with Google Ads, you need to understand that Google Ads whole system rely on quality score. Okay, you need to look around. Okay, let's say what you have to do is, I'm not sure what even CPC you are working on, but look around on your ad positions. Okay, ad positions also, you know you need to see on impression share. Impression share is a tool on your Google Ads account. It can tell you how many of the percentage you are allocating for that. Okay, also, you need to look around on your competitors. For competitors, there are several tools available. One such tool is, Spyfoo. And let's say, let's say I do not even know what your keyword is, but let's say, if your keyword is hospitals in US, what you're gonna do is, we're gonna search it over here, and you can see over here. Now this is a search volume over here, and you can see over here. Also, this is also getting me data. Okay, what is your CTR? So let's say if you have 100 impressions and only two people click on your ad, it means you missed 98 people. Okay, now this has nothing to do with the audience is huge. Audience is huge. 100 people saw your ad, but only two people click. It means that your ad needs improvement. You need to work around. If you work around in a quality score, what it can help you with, that is why I emphasize the quality score, because once you optimize your quality score, okay, what will happen is your CPC will be reduced. Okay, even like your competitors may be paying double the amount or triple the amount of what you are paying. That is an advantage of optimizing quality score, and then you will get the more market share. You can increase your market share as well through that as well. So now coming back to the competitors, like when I searched over here, now you can see that I got a similar data as well. Now the game is not to have as many keywords as possible, but you need to understand, and then create specific ads for each keyword, so that the visitor learning with every keyword has a different intent. If your ad and landing page fulfill that or not, that is a very important question which I ask you people. If your ads, which is why I recommend companies to hire us, so we can look around and optimize your campaigns according to these preferences. So now you can see over here, like top hospitals in us COVID hospitalizations, COVID hospitals. So yeah, I mean, you have so much data over here as well. So this is the data. You can see over here organic data over here, organic history over here. You can see no ads being found over here. So you can look around at the keywords like best hospitals in US. And now you can see over here, you get the data over here, and that is, like most successful advertisers and their best ads. You can see over here, this is a very good, you can click over here, you can see on their data. So that is very important over here, that you can see over here, like these are the top paid ads. You can see over here. So get your ads, look around for the keywords. Now, with some keywords, comparative analysis tools, I can see around over their key PPC keywords, the keywords they are targeting on, the ads history, the fetching, look around, so that I can, target on my competitor keywords, target on my competitor keywords, compare my ads versus theirs, my landing page versus theirs, my keywords versus theirs. This can also help. Also, I also recommend you to get as much data as possible. So I recommend you to create smaller area wise campaigns, so you get and more data on which area is working well for you, and then you can optimize and get more data. Okay, so but the thing is that the competitor research can give you a lot of insights. Also your offer versus your competitors. Okay, that is also very important when you're working with competitors. If your offer is not good, why people will buy you over your competitors? So these are the few things which you may need to look at again. When you're is not spending. Okay, I do not have do not know now. So it could be a problem with your bidding strategy. What bidding strategy you're targeting, that could also be another reason, which is why you're not receiving traffic. Ad impression share, I told you already. And then you may be doing wrong targeting, or which networks you have selected on Google. People may often forget the networks, like when they're creating a page, search network. You can target search partners. So I mean, there are so or Google AdSense publisher. So I mean, there are so options where people can get confused. Again, it needs a professional audit. And in case, I hope I have answered most of your questions, but still, if it doesn't get resolved, or in case if you need a professional help, you or the one who is watching, you guys can hire me and my team, and we can help you in sorting out these issues and get your Google Ads campaign optimized so that they can spend according to the budget design, and also get as much conversion as possible with that budget. So if you're looking for a professional help, do hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to get an awesome Google Ads campaign. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye bye.